Today I will be taking a look at a glass case for the iPhone X. Yes, you heard it right, a glass case. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I have with me today the Switcheasy Glass X for the iPhone X. This case is made of glass and retails for $30. I've had numerous cases from Switcheasy in the past, mostly the numbers cases. I saw this online and decided to give it a try. This comes in two colors, black and white. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look at the case. The Switcheasy Glass X case. Let's look at some of the features. They make it for various iPhone models. Some of the features it has is a 9H hardness rating, wireless pass-through electroplating, fingerprint smudge-proof treatment, and a shatter protection coating. Let's take a look inside the box. Packaging is very nice. The case has the warranty information. The case feels very light and smooth. You can see the glass back with the branding on it. It feels just like the back of the iPhone. It's very smooth. The sides are shiny and also smooth. The side is made of a TPU material. You can see the TPU material flex on the sides here. Let's install it on the phone. Start off with one side here. Just press the edges. Easy to install. Doesn't take much force. Feels great in the hands. You can see the camera does have a bit of protection, not as deep as other cases. Here is a view of the sides. The buttons are covered and smooth all around. Speaker and power cutouts are done nicely. And the other side button is covered as well. The bezel is not raised, so protection for the front may be a bit lacking. This is where a glass shield protector would come in handy. The Apple logo does not show on the back, since it's black with the glass surface. So there you have it, a case that is made of glass with 0.3 millimeters thickness. For those that are looking for a minimalist design and preserving the feel of the phone, this is the case for you. I think it's fair to say that this is not a rugged case by any means. I'm sure the glass will not survive abuse and drops. I love the design and feel of the case. For the most part, I'm pretty good with taking care of my phone. This will definitely get used. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.